All right, let's jump straight into this explainer. Titanium, from ore to aircraft. Today, we're totally demystifying the incredible transformation of this material. We'll be tracking it all the way from a gritty, earthbound mineral, right up to the cutting-edge structural foundation of modern aviation. Seriously, if you've ever wondered how these massive, heavy machines actually manage to conquer gravity, well, the answer's literally buried in the life cycle of this one specific metal.
Here's our quick roadmap for today. 1. Unearthing the raw ore. 2. The refining transformation. 3. Forging aerospace components. And finally, 4. Taking to the skies.
So, starting us off with Section 1, Unearthing the Raw Ore. Before a single shovel even hits the dirt, we really need to understand the fundamental problem here. You see, early aviation pioneers quickly realized that standard metals just couldn't handle the stress of flight. They're heavily limited in 3 major ways. First up is weight. Traditional steel is just way too heavy. Second is a lack of structural strength. Lighter metals, like aluminum, they actually fatigue under high-speed stress. And third, poor heat resistance. Inside a jet engine, the temperatures will literally melt conventional metals. The industry desperately needed something light, strong, and highly heat-resistant.
Finding that perfect combo brings us directly to the extraction process. First, geologists have to locate the mineral deposits hidden away in sand and rock. Second comes the earthbound mining phase, which utilizes these absolutely massive excavators to move thousands of tons of earth. And third, extracting the unrefined ore itself. Now, if you held it in your hand, it's just heavy, dark sediment. But hidden inside that dirt is the specific atomic structure required to completely break the limits of aerospace engineering. Moving right along to Section 2, the refining transformation. To actually get from raw earth to a flying machine, this ore has to undergo a drastic physical transformation. Step 1 is intense heat. We're talking blistering furnace temperatures that begin breaking down the raw rock. Step 2 is applying chemical refining. The material reacts with volatile chemicals to essentially strip away oxygen, iron, and all those other earthly tethers. And Step 3 is achieving that purified state. Surviving these extreme, brutal baths leaves behind a highly concentrated, ultra-purified material.
The metamorphosis here is just staggering. We started out with this gritty, heavy, unrefined mineral ore, totally weighed down by useless elements. But what remains now is purified, high-potential titanium. It's extraordinarily light, incredibly pure, and it is standing ready for the forge. It holds massive potential, sure, but it still needs to be shaped.
That brings us to Section 3, Forging Aerospace Components. Now, this is where raw potential becomes mechanical reality. We start with heavy industrial forging. The purified titanium is melted down into ingots and then subjected to just immense mechanical pressure. Picture massive hydraulic presses slamming down on the metal, physically shaping it while it's still glowing hot. But get this, we aren't just shaping the metal to look like a plain part. This pressure is actually changing the metal on a structural level. It compresses the internal grain of the titanium, which is the exact process that unlocks its extreme aerospace-grade strength. Through this intense, honestly brutal forging process, the titanium finally overcomes all those physical limitations we talked about earlier.
But before we move on to the final application, I really want you to ask yourself something. How does a heavy piece of forged factory metal actually bridge the gap to conquer the open sky? Think about it. We've been down in the mines, in chemical baths, and on these loud factory floors. How does this newly forged metal make that final, incredible leap to 35,000 feet?
Let's find out in Section 4, Taking to the Skies.
Well, titanium directly answers those very limitations that plagued early aviation. For the weight issue, it provides a remarkably lightweight structural foundation, which saves fuel and drastically increases payloads. For heat, its extreme resistance allows these components to sit right smack in the middle of the fiery core of a jet engine. And for strength, it offers cutting-edge aerospace durability that completely prevents fatigue even after thousands of pressurized flight cycles. It's basically the ultimate, tailor-made solution.
So, the next time you look up at a commercial jet cutting through the clouds, remember what you're actually looking at. It's refined dirt, forged by extreme science. The wings, the turbines, the landing gear, all of it literally started as unremarkable sand. It's only through intense chemical refining and heavy industrial pressure that human engineering elevates it to defy gravity itself. Pretty wild, right?
I want to leave you with this final thought, just to sort of reconsider the built world around you. We so often take these modern miracles we see every single day completely for granted. totally ignoring the hidden journeys of the materials that make them all possible. Now that you know the hidden, violent, and honestly fascinating history of titanium, I have to ask, what everyday marvel of materials engineering will you notice next? Keep your eyes open, stay curious, and hey, thanks so much for joining me for this explainer.